Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, a binary puzzle. Binary puzzle in today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's the Wednesday, May the 1st, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4-star Sudoku. Two puzzles remain, the jigsaw Sudoku and the binary. And it's binary time now. Yes, binary time. This will be number 8464. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 17 printed digits, yes. Already counted. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 O's, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O, between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Then double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. And now I need to think. Between the O's comes an 1. Well. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 3 O's we have here. If we place number 4 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in the first column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. If I place the 4th O here, then we have 3. Then we still have 3 ones in a row in this first column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Alright, 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one here, no, there, no. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one here, no, there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one here, no, there, no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's, no. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Finish in 3 minutes, exactly. 3 minutes, and we solve it again. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.